Good
Good
morning, sir.
morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
Good
Good morning,
morning.
sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir. So today we will start new chapter. Sir, today we have to start new chapter lines and ankles.
Have we completed that chapter?
Yes,
Rounding
sir.
numbers.
Sir, rounding numbers. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, we have completed.
Yes, sir. We have
Yes,
completed.
Chalo, let us start the new chapter.
Yes, sir. Sir, lines and ankles.
Okay. Write down the name of the chapter, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Chapter number 17. Rounding numbers. Sorry.
Sir,
Lines,
lines and ankles.
lines and angles. Okay. Have you all written the formula?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, now I will show you a video, everyone. Please watch the video very carefully.
This we have to write in fair notebook.
Hanji beta, Hanji. Write the name of the chapter in your fair notebook. So all of you, I'm going to show you a video now.
Yes, sir.
Ready?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, so this, please watch the video very carefully, very attentively, and there will be some very important things told in the video. So please pay attention completely.
A few days back, I went trekking with
Sound is coming. Sound from the video is coming.
my younger brother Nishan. A few, a few days back, I went trekking with my younger brother Nishan. Interestingly, this fun trip became a beautiful lesson in geometry for him. Thankfully, we had recorded it on camera, so let me share it with you. Look, the stars appear much brighter here than the city.
Yes, and I can also see a group of stars that appears like a question mark. I want to draw this. Can you help me?
See, first you draw points showing the position of stars and then you join them. Oh, it seems as if I am giving you a geometry lesson.
Geometry? What is that?
Geometry is a branch of mathematics that deals with shape, size, position of figures, and properties of space.
Oh, please tell me more.
To tell you more, I'll have to take you around 2300 years back to a man named Euclid.
2300 years? Wow.
Euclid was a Greek mathematician and was known as the father of geometry. In 300 BC, he wrote a book in which he organized and proved all the knowledge of geometry we have till date. Geometry is the English translation of the Greek word geometron, where geo means earth and metron means measurement.
But what is the use of geometry?
Geometry helps in understanding different shapes and their properties and relations in real world. Geometry has applications in the field of architecture, astronomy, designing clothes and machinery. In fact, geometry has applications in almost all spheres of life.
Oh, wow.
And this all begins with a point.
A point?
Yes, look here. These dots at the bottom of stars are points. The almost invisible tiny dot gives an idea about point. A dot as small as you can imagine.
Oh, this is a point. How can this be so important?
Point is the most important concept in geometry, howsoever small or insignificant it may seem. A point has no length, no breadth, no thickness, no shape or size, yet it shows a definite position.
If a point shows a position, how do we differentiate these points?
We denote a point by capital letter. No geometrical figure can be drawn without beginning with a point. Every geometrical figure should be named, and that starts by naming the points. Many points come together to form a line.
A line?
Yes, a line is a straight path that extends forever in both directions.
You mean it goes on and on?
Correct. That is why we draw two arrows on it on either side to show it never ends. It contains countless number of points. We can never draw a complete picture of a line.
How do we differentiate two lines? How do we represent them?
We represent a line using small letters. Like I have denoted this line by small letter M. A line can also be represented using any 2 points on the line.
And how can we do that?
A line through points A and B is denoted as this. We put this small line with arrows on both sides to indicate that it extends indefinitely in both the directions.
So, if I join any two of these stars, which are like 2 points, will that be a line?
No, that would be a line segment.
Line segment? What is this now?
A line segment is a part of a line. It has two distinct endpoints. It does not go on forever. If I have point A and point B, then I can join them in different ways.
Are they all line segments?
No, the shortest route, that is the straight line joining points A and B, is called the line segment. It is represented as this.
Okay, so it does not have arrows on top like a line has.
Correct. This signifies that it has endpoints. Points A and B are the endpoints of this line segment. If I fold this paper, I get a line with two endpoints. This is a line segment. Now, can you think of some examples of line segments from your day-to-day life?
Yes, joining 2 points of a tube light, edge of a book, edge of a ruler. So a line extends forever in both directions, but a line segment has 2 distinct endpoints. Wait, does that mean you can never measure a line?
Right, Nishan. You cannot measure a line, but you can measure a line segment. We can measure line segments with the help of a ruler.
Great, so I can now complete my diagram. This is how that collection of stars above looked like. See, points E, F, G all lie in one line.
Yes, they are collinear points.
What?
I'll explain. 3 or more points are said to be collinear if you can draw one line that will contain them all. So among all these given points, B, C and D lie on a straight line, hence they are collinear. But points C, D and F are non-collinear. Similarly, points A, D and E are non-collinear.
Okay.
It's too late now. Let's go back to our tent. Wait, I'll switch my torch on. Oh, this reminds me that I forgot to tell you about rays.
Rays?
Yes, a ray is a part of line. A ray starts from one point and goes endlessly in one direction.
I have heard about sun's rays. Is it the same as the rays you are talking about?
Yes, if you consider sun's rays, then they start from one point and move endlessly in one direction only. Here, they start from point A. Point B lies on the path of the ray. It is denoted as this. No matter what the direction of rays be, the arrows will always point towards right. So if PQ is a ray, its starting point, that is P, is also called the vertex. Q is another point on the ray. Remember that Q is not the starting point of this ray, so we cannot denote ray PQ as ray QP.
Now I can complete my diagram with points, line segments, and rays.
Perfect. So a point is the almost invisible tiny dot. Many points come together to form a line, which is a straight path that extends forever in both directions. A line segment is a part of a line and has two distinct endpoints. A ray starts from one point and goes endlessly in one direction. Now let's sleep. Tomorrow we have to get up early and go for.
Okay, all of you, listen. This slide, this page which you are seeing on your screen is very, very important. It shows all the things. It shows a point, it shows a line, it shows a line segment, it shows a ray. ठीक है, सारी चीजें यहाँ पर आपको दिख रही हैं. पॉइंट क्या है, लाइन क्या है, लाइन सेगमेंट क्या है, रे क्या है. आई थिंक एवरी वन ऑफ यू हैव अंडरस्टूड. लाइन क्या होता है? A line can be produced indefinitely. That means कितना भी आप प्रोड्यूस कर सकते हैं दोनों साइड में. इसलिए लाइन के दोनों साइड्स में हम एरोज बनाते हैं. एरोज क्या रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं? That you can produce the line as much as you want. So this is a line. Line segment has end points. Line segment के लास्ट में डॉट्स बना दिए हैं. That means these are end points. Line segment की फिक्स्ड लेंथ होती है. आप लाइन सेगमेंट को आगे प्रोड्यूस नहीं कर सकते, उसकी लेंथ फिक्स्ड होती है. सो दैट इज व्हाई इट इज हैविंग एंड पॉइंट्स. एंड लाइन सेगमेंट इज ओनली अ पार्ट ऑफ अ लाइन. लाइन सेगमेंट लाइन का एक छोटा सा पार्ट होता है. ओके, आई होप सबको याद रहेगा. एंड व्हाट इज रे? रे एक साइड में प्रोड्यूस कर सकते हैं, एक साइड में उसका एंड पॉइंट है, मतलब एक साइड में आप प्रोड्यूस नहीं कर सकते, दूसरे साइड में आप प्रोड्यूस कर सकते हैं. जहां पर एरो बनाया उधर साइड से आप प्रोड्यूस कर सकते हैं रे को. सो दिस इज अ रे, लास्ट वन. ओके, सो point, line segment in ray. I hope everyone has understood the concept of point, line segment in ray. Everyone, with the help of this story, समझ में आया बच्चों को? समर क्या कर रहे हो बेटा? समर, समर बेटा क्या कर रहे हो? समर, okay, have you all understood? Tell me. Point, line segment in ray.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. We have
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. समर बेटा क्या कर रहे हो?
Sir, nothing.
अच्छा, हमारा फोन बहुत हिल रहा है. मैं सोचा पता नहीं क्या कर रहे हो, डांस कर रहे हो फोन पकड़ के, नहीं क्या कर रहे हो? अच्छा अच्छा, चलिए, लेट अस अगेन कम बैक टू द ग्रीन स्क्रीन. वैसे वो भी ग्रीन स्क्रीन थी. या बेटा माइक ऑफ कर लो. नहीं, अरे ये क्या हो गया? माइक ऑफ कर लो बेटा. माइक्स बंद कर लीजिए आप लोग.
sir.
Any doubt? Do you have any doubt regarding line segment, ray?
No, sir.
कोई doubt नहीं है?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, then open your chapter 17. Open
sir,
page
open.
number 131, 131, 131. अरे कौन है ये बेटा? माइक ऑफ कर लो बेटा। वरिन गोयल, किसके घर से आवाज आ रही है?
Sir, I have take out the page.
ओपन पेज नंबर 131. नाउ आपको ये लाइट पिंक कलर से हेडिंग्स दिख रही हैं? लाइन सेगमेंट एंड रे, तीनों की हेडिंग दिख रही है? अ लाइन सेगमेंट एंड अ रे दिख रही है हेडिंग?
Yes, sir. We can
ये
see.
तीनों डेफिनेशंस आप लोग नोट करेंगे अपनी कॉपी में एंड फिगर भी बनाएंगे। फिगर बना हुआ है देखो, ए बी इज अ लाइन। देखिए दिख रहा है आपको फिगर? ए बी इज अ लाइन, येलो कलर से हाईलाइटेड है।
Yes, sir.
एंड देन ए बी इज अ लाइन सेगमेंट। अच्छा, लाइन सेगमेंट जब बनाएंगे तो आप एरोज मत बनाइएगा, बुक में इन्होंने एरोज बनाए हैं, आप एरोज मत बनाइएगा। लाइन सेगमेंट के लिए आप ऐसे बनाइएगा बस, ए बी। ओके,
Sir, your line is very टेढ़ा मेढ़ा.
नो प्रॉब्लम, मैं ही टेढ़ा हूँ बेटा। अब देखो मुझसे ज्यादा सीधा कोई नहीं बना पाएगा, तुमने ऐसी बात कर दी, अब देखना मैं ही बनाऊंगा सीधी। ये लो, आप बताओ कैसी?
Cheating. Sir, it is cheating, sir. You have made not yourself, sir. You are not drawn.
Yes,
So
sir.
A B is
Sir,
a
this
line
is
segment.
now also टेढ़ा. Sir, this is now
Sir, ये
also
तब भी
टेढ़ा.
टेढ़ा है.
अरे लो यार, सीधा कर देते हैं। लो पूछो।
Sir,
A
I
B
want to ask something.
yes.
Sir, in a copy we have to write about only a line segment and ray. We don't have to write about point.
No, don't write anything about point. बस line
And sir,
segment और ray आप।
and sir, in previous class also we have grow with numbers fourth class book. So sir, in that also there was a angles chapter. In that also there was same question which are given on exercise 7.1.
ठीक है,
17.1.
तो बेटा फिगर्स मैं बना रहा हूँ, आप लोग ये वाले फिगर्स बनाएंगे। लाइन के लिए फिगर ये वाला बनाएंगे, ऐसे एक लाइन बनाएंगे, दोनों साइड में ए बी लिख देंगे।
Okay,
लाइन सेगमेंट के लिए मैं बता रहा हूँ, ऐसे बनाएंगे।
सर हमें लाइन सेगमेंट और रे की डेफिनेशन कॉपी में लिखनी है.
Yes, write the definitions in your copies.
Sir,
and
we
ray.
don't have. We have to write the definition of line and line segment or line angles and line segment. Sir, we have to write the Sir, we have to show the example also. Sir, we have to write the Sir, we have to write the definition of line segment and ray,
Yes.
not point.
No, you don't have to write the definition of point. Write the definition of line segment and ray. करिए, start doing it. लिखिए
Sir, we have to
definitions.
write that, sir, which you are writing on the screen.
Yes, ये वाले फिगर्स ड्रॉ करने हैं आपको, ठीक है? फिगर बुक में से ड्रॉ मत करना, यहाँ से ड्रॉ करना, ठीक है?
Sir.
चलिए start doing it. Don't draw the figures from the book, draw the figures from the board. बोर्ड से देख के ड्रॉ करना. Write the definitions from the book. पेज नंबर 131. लाइन की डेफिनेशन लिखो, लाइन सेगमेंट की लिखो एंड रे की लिखो. Yes, Iram.
Sir, I am asking that we have to first write line, then line segment and ray definition, and then we have to draw these lines that you have drawn on the board.
कैसे भी कर सकते हैं आप, लाइन के बाद लाइन की फिगर बना लीजिए, फिर लाइन सेगमेंट के बाद लाइन सेगमेंट की बना लीजिए, फिर रे की डेफिनेशन लिखिए, रे की बना लीजिए, ठीक है।
Okay, sir.
Yes, have you all done?
No, sir. Sir, I am on
writing
last
the
one.
A.
I have done. Sir, I have done.
Sir, I have done.
Done, all of you?
No, sir. Sir, please wait. Sir, I have done. Sir, please wait for 5 minutes.
Okay, complete. जल्दी करो बेटा. Done.
No, sir, yes, last sir. Is left. Yes, sir. Wait, sir. Please wait, sir. Please wait. The last is left. Thank you. Sir, I have done.
Okay. So you all have written the definition of
Yes, sir, I have also done.
Sir,
line,
may
line
I
segment
send my
10.
work on WhatsApp group? Sir, may I send my work on WhatsApp group?
No, beta, don't send it on WhatsApp. Chalo, let us do exercise 17.1 in the book only.
Sir, done. Sir, done.
17.1,
17.1 done.
exercise 17.1.
Sir, done. Sir, done.
इसमें we have to
Sir, done.
draw a line of
Sir, done.
symmetry.
Sir, done. Sir, done.
पहले से पता है आप लोगों को, इतनी जल्दी कर लिया देखो. Write
Sir,
yes if the dotted line is the line of symmetry and no if it is not.
Sir, because in our previous class, the same question What they are?
Yes,
So we
sir.
already know the
the
answer.
same question
Yes,
has
sir.
come and sir, 17.1 exercise A and B question come and sir we have done
They
this.
were
So
same.
we have done.
Sir, they were same. In previous book they were big in size, and in this they are smaller. I can show you.
Yes,
also.
sir. Yes,
मेरे
sir.
पास
Yes,
book है sir.
ma'am.
मैं दिखा
Yes.
भी सकता हूँ.
Excuse me, sir, I have done 17.3 also.
चलो देखो बेटा.
Answer the
But
different
Sir, I have
types
done
of lines here
17.2
shows.
also.
They are also.
Sir, I have done 17 point.
Sir, I have done all exercises
Sir,
that
I
have
have done.
been done
Sir,
in
I
book.
have done
So, sir,
all
I have read this
exercises.
chapter.
Sir, I have all. Sir, I
मेरी
have done
मेरी
all
बात सुनो बेटा, मेरी बात सुनो, मेरी बात सुनो. 17.1, I know you, question A was very easy. Question B में it is not that easy. आपको lines of symmetry draw करनी है in all of the figures. So I am just doing it. You check.
Sir, we have
Beta,
done.
you all
Sir, I
check
have
your
done.
answers.
Sir, I
You
know.
all check
Sir, it
your
is very
answers.
easy.
So
Sir,
this
I
is the
have.
first.
Sir, in.
There are two
Sir,
lines
we
of
have to
Excuse me,
symmetry in
draw
a
sir.
all. Sir, we have
yes,
to do. Sir, we have to
all
draw all.
all the lines of symmetry which are there. So this is
Oh.
first one,
Sir, I
second
have
one.
done. Sir, I have done like this only.
Second one is a rectangle, no, sorry, equilateral triangle. तो second वाले में कहाँ पर होंगी lines of symmetry? This is the figure.
Sir, it is ulta. Sir, it is ulta. Sir, in book it is given ulta.
कोई बात नहीं बेटा, कोई बात नहीं.
Sir, in book it is given upside down.
उल्टा मान लो यार इसको.
Sir, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
Sir, please
given
make upside down.
अरे
Yes,
एक
sir.
ही
It
बात
is
है बेटा,
given upside
कॉन्सेप्ट तो
down.
वही रहेगा.
Yes, sir. Sir, in this only one.
So lines of symmetry will be like this in the case of a triangle.
This we have to
There
write in
are
copy.
Sir, I
three
have
lines.
done like this
Bookmark.
only.
Do it in the book only.
Sir, I have done like this only. Sir, I
Third
have done.
figure.
Sir,
Very
A
good.
and B question. Sir, I have done all the questions in that. Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, can you hear me?
Yes.
Sir, I
Yes.
have read this chapter. So, sir, I have done all the questions that has to be done in book.
Yes. Very good.
Sir, I have
Sir,
also.
I know how to get degrees now. How to do degree, how to use protector, and sir, what are vertically opposite adjacent
To do these
complementary,
lines, all.
acute, right,
Sir,
We already,
opposite,
sir, seen
flex,
these
whole angle,
things.
sir.
Sir, to do all the
Sir, I
lines,
know
sir,
everything.
I have do my book, sir, upside down, and sir, my triangle and your triangle are same now. Sir, I have also done book ulta. Bye-bye.
Sir, make the shape using Microsoft.
Sir, it is
Sir, in triangle
slightly
there are
very
many.
different.
Sir, in
Slightly
triangle
very
there
different
are.
from the
Sir,
book.
Very
in this
difficult
star
to
there
draw.
are many.
There are
Sir,
many lines of symmetry.
Yes,
This is a
sir.
line of symmetry.
Sir, four
This
there
is
are.
also a line of symmetry. There are 6 lines
Sir,
of
four.
symmetry.
Yes,
Six.
sir, there are many.
One.
This is also a line of symmetry.
Yes, sir. Six.
This is
Are
also
there?
a line of
Yes, sir.
symmetry. And this is also a line of symmetry. 6 lines of
Yes, sir,
symmetry.
there are many lines.
Yes, sir. Six lines.
Fourth one. Fourth one is very simple.
Yes, sir. Only one is there.
I think I am not able to make this. I hope it is fine.
Yes, sir. It is fine.
So this is the line of symmetry. Fifth one, the
Sir,
last
in
one.
next one there are 6. The next one in there are 6.
Yes, in the
Sir, in
next
next
figure
one there
again,
are
there
6.
are 6 lines of symmetry. It is a hexagon.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So again, there are 6 lines of symmetry in a hexagon. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So please complete all the lines of symmetry in question B.
Sir, I have completed.
Sir, I
Do
have
it in
already
the book
completed.
only. I hope you all have done it in your book
Sir,
only.
sir,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Yes.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, sir. If we have to do mark only one symmetry of line, so sir, in exam it will be written that we have to
Yes.
mark one,
Yes. Yes. Yes.
or we have to mark all. So it will be written.
Sir, if
Yes.
it is
Draw the lines
written,
of symmetry.
Yes. Yes. It will
Draw
be
all the lines of
written
symmetry.
clearly in the question which will be come in your exam.